Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide I'll show you how to find and restore a deleted email in Gmail. Let's get straight into it. I'm logged into Google and I'm in my Gmail inbox. When you delete an email in Gmail, it is moved to the trash bin. If you're using the UK version of Gmail, this may be called the bin folder. You can find the trash folder in the left-hand panel of Gmail, near the top. If you can't see your trash bin in this list, check out the Woggle Guide shown above, which explains how to find that. I'll click on that once to open it. You'll see the email we have just deleted is shown at the top of the folder. Restoring this email to your inbox is easy to do. If I move my mouse to it, and then right-click on that email, you'll see a number of options are shown. The one we're interested in, however, is Move to Inbox. I'll click on this now. Gmail then confirms that the action request to move the mail to the inbox has been done. And if I return to the Gmail inbox, you'll see that the email we deleted has now been restored. I hope you found this Woggle Guide useful and learned something new. If you have, please like or subscribe for free so that you can find out when new guides are available. Thanks for watching.